The next step is how we make melodies or songs, by playing multiple notes in a specific order. Once you can smoothly play multiple notes, you can combine them to play simple tunes. Let's try it. Using the tip of your finger, place your finger just behind the first fret. Not touching it, not over here, right about there. Now you're going to make sure your finger is nice and curled, and then play that. So let's play Jingle Bells now. It's pretty simple. You're going to start and play the open first string 3 times. Then you're going to do that exact same thing again. And then once you go that, you're going to play the open first string, then the 3rd fret of the first string, then the 1st fret of the 2nd string, then the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, and then back to the open first string. So what that's going to sound like so far is this. Nice and simple. Try that one a few times, then add in the second half. So now we're going to go to the 1st fret of the 1st string and play this one 5 times. And then go back to the open string for 3 times, and then go to the 3rd fret of the 1st string and play that twice, then to the 1st fret, then to the 3rd fret of the 2nd string, and then end on the 1st fret of the 2nd string. So that second half is going to sound like this. Let's try the whole thing. There are 2 main parts to making a song or a melody. The first is the notes you use, as we've explored in the last few videos, and the second is timing. Timing is how long you play a note for and when you play it. If I play the exact same notes as Jingle Bells, but hold them for different lengths of time, it sounds like a completely different song. So timing is almost as important as the notes you're hitting. To help out with timing, it's useful to tap your foot in a constant, steady pace. In the last video, we got an introduction to timing when you played along with me in the note changing exercises. This time we're going to do the same thing, but now we're aware of the timing. Okay, so to count Jingle Bells, what you're going to do is use 1 beat for almost every note. There's just a few notes that change. When we play the open first string the 6 times at the beginning, the first 2 are 1 beat, then the 3rd one is 2 beats, and then the 4th and 5th are 1 beat, and the 6th is 2 beat. So if I count that, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then when we move on, the next 4 notes are going to be just 1 beat, and then when we move back to the open first string, that's going to be 4 beats. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then from then on, every single note of the song, or for the rest of the song, is just one beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can try that out on your own or with me, tapping your foot, and I'll count along. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. You've made it through the most difficult part of starting to play guitar, the very beginning. It's going to get real fun now. I'll be teaching you how to play the main riff from Love Yourself in part 2 of this tutorial. Just enter your email below, and I'll send Love Yourself tutorials right to your inbox. Get excited.